Welcome to Paxton Presbyterian Church. We're now standing in the archive room of the church. And what we have here, we'll talk about this for a few minutes, is Paxton's deed. So if we look at the deed, I'll tell you a few things about it. One being that it's dated June 8th, 1754. This is the original 1754 deed. And it was from Henry Foster and his wife Anne Kelso Foster, and it was giving land to the congregation of Paxton Church belonging to Reverend John Elder. It's interesting how they describe the boundary lines, because it says here that beginning at a black oak, then south 11 degrees, west 93 perches to a black oak. A perch, by the way, equals 16.5 feet. Then north 80 degrees west, 36 perches to a post. Then south 11 degrees east, 93 perches to another black oak. So you can see these are not permanent marks, trees and oaks and a fence post. But at that time, that's what they needed to register this, since this land was pretty open. This was really the frontier at that point. They didn't have land offices around. They list a couple interesting things here. First, this was not recorded until 1770 because they didn't have people around the land offices to record. It's listed as being in Lancaster County because Dauphin County wasn't started till 1786, so this predates Dauphin County. Second thing I found interesting is that this land was given for the sum of 10 pounds. And to give you some sort of an idea, with 10 pounds you could have bought one horse, 2 cows, 188 pounds of wheat, or 100 days' wages of a skilled tradesman. The third thing about it, the deed says that there's a 20-acre tract on which the stone meeting house is built. So that means the church was already here when this deed was executed in 1754. John Foster died in 1747, and Henry was settling his father's estate in 1752, and he stated that in his father's lifetime he sold 20-acre tract of land to a Presbyterian congregation, and there they have erected a meeting house. So again, another idea that that the church was built in the 1740s. As I said, the land was settled land was extremely limited. There was just wilderness. This was a Wild West at the time that this paper was executed. There was plenty of vacant land. People weren't as picky about recording deeds and so forth. And they didn't need to apply for a survey warrant to make their ownership legal because there was just so much free land all over. But this is the original deed. We have a copy upstairs, but this is the real thing. This is Norman Daniels from Paxton Church. You're welcome to go to our website to learn about our programs, our history, and also church services that we have recorded. You're also welcome to attend our live stream service on Sundays at 10:15. You're more than welcome. We invite you very heartily to be here, and God bless you.